Hi everyone, in this week tutorial I will show you how to create a notebook in Kilonotes. Just click on the app and then tap create, and here you can find notebook. You can choose first of all from several covers. Click one of them and then go to inside pages, where you can change the pages in your notebook. For example, ruled. Give a name to your notebook, like mine, and confirm creation. Now you have a notebook and you can write in it. And if you go back to the main page, here you can see it. Thanks for watching.